Hello children, how are you all? Today we are going to learn about chapters 8, all about maps. We will discuss on these three topics. What is map, types of map and features of map. The earth is a huge planet. It is very beautiful. We are always eager to see and know about every part of the earth. What is a map? A map is a drawing of Earth's surface of a part of it on a flat surface, such as paper. If we take a globe and flatten it, it will become a map. A map provides us information about places of the surface of the earth and greater detail than a globe. A book of map is called an atlas. Do you know that if you want to study the earth as whole, you use a globe. But if you want to study on a specific part of the earth, we use a map. Now, types of map. There are mainly two types of maps: physical maps and political maps. Physical maps depict physical features like mountains, seas, rivers, forests and farms. Political maps depict countries and other important places. There are some maps that focus on certain themes or topics such as rainfall, crops, industry, etc. Such maps are called thematic map. We can see different colors on a map. Each color has a specific meaning. This provides us information that help us understand the map. A map of the physical features of India shows the land in various colors. This depicts the different heights of the land. The sea too is shown in different shades of blue. These tell us how deep the sea is. Apart from the map, you can see an information box. This is the legend. It is the key that unlocks the meaning of all the colors. Dark green is used to represent lowland, and that is almost at the same level as the sea. This land is 0 to 150 meter in height. Brown represents high mountains, shows ever higher mountains that are always snow covered. Light blue depicts the part of the sea that is less deep. This is near the land. Now, conventional signs or symbols. Maps have different types of signs and symbols. These are special signs that have a meaning. The meaning for each symbol is given in the legend, which help to understand the maps. Look here, some signs and symbols here, which shows international boundary, the dotted line, state boundary like this, metal road, unmetal road, bridge, railway line, dam, well and tank, stream, forest, capital city, temple, church, mosque, post office, telegraph office, police station and rest house. These help us to understand the maps. Now the last, directions. There are four main directions which are universally accepted: north, south, east and west. For other directions, northeast, southeast, southwest, and northwest lie between the four main directions. They are called subdirection. Thank you.